Hello and welcome back again to my channel, and today I have a different subject to talk about. I just bought a new awesome machine, and let me tell you, I've been waiting for this for a very long time, and finally I got my hands on it, and it's cool. You see, today I have what we call a welding machine, APT, as usual, APT welding machine. This is the box for the machine, and today we will be doing the unboxing. Of course, just to let you know, for people who are not familiar with welding machines, the welding machine is a machine that is used in some firework effects. Sorry, I'm just kidding, of course not. It's used to weld metals, different kinds of metals. And it's a very powerful machine. It turns the AC voltage into a high voltage DC. And a high current, and this current, this high voltage is used just to weld because it makes a lot of heat and it welds metals. And correct me if I'm wrong. Of course. So today we'll be doing the unboxing for the APT welding machine. Just for you to see, I want it to be more. Just received my shipment here. This is the box. This is how it looks. Okay, let's remove that stupid cover. It's a little wooden box. Don't know, wooden curtain, something like that, but it's a very good material. It says 3 electronic cards, which means that this machine has 3 electronic cards installed inside it, just for safety. It's not like the old welding machines where they used to have this huge transformer and it has a huge winds of coils. So this huge transformer, if something like gets malfunctioned and got burned, the huge transformer gets burned and you need to change the coils or you need to rewind it back. So it's not that technology anymore. This is called the inverter technology for the welding machine. So it has 3 electronic cards, which means if you get something not working good or malfunctioned or burned out, like a capacitor or something, you will lose 1 card of the 3 cards, which is 1 board. It's a motherboard that controls the machine. And you just lose 1 part, so you can replace it easily. You don't lose the whole machine. So I just removed the cover. Wow, look at that. Let's see what's inside the box. The machine comes with the face shield. Oh, okay. I cannot see anything from this face shield. I think this is a wonderful face shield just to protect your eyes from the sparks, because those powerful sparks that emit from the machine, they make a powerful light, and this light could hurt your eyes, affecting your vision, which is not good. One of the most reasons that I didn't get the machine earlier. That's one of the reasons. So it comes with the face shield from APT. Let's see what's inside. What else? Manual. Okay, we have a manual. Oh, that smells good. Owner's operating manual. APT. 250. 280. Congratulations. Look at that. It's saying congratulations on your purchase of a quality piston inverter DC arc welder. It will provide years of reliable service. Saying about the safety and repair of power equipment by experts. Check damaged parts if you get anything damaged. Secure work, don't overreach, dress properly, avoid unintentional operation, of course, so you don't get shocked and die, because people usually die when they use these machines. Of course, I'm kidding. No one dies. It's just like people used to make stupid mistakes. That's all. And it's telling about the machine and the circuit diagram. And here's the circuit diagram of the machine. Look at that. In the manual, it's included in the manual. Features and benefits. Okay, plug in the earth and positive cable and all of that stuff. Okay, it's saying thermal protection. Thermal protection when the machine heats up to an undesirable temperature, the machine turns off the electricity, but the machine itself does not turn off. It continues cooling its parts with the fans until the machine returns back to its normal temperature and starts working again, which is safety protection for the machine itself. That's why the ones that has 3 electronic cards from APT is a wonderful tool. You know that APT is a wonderful company as well. I used to buy all APT brands, like tools and power tools and machines. And my whole life I used to buy like APT. There is the what do we call it? Drill press from APT. I'm waiting to receive one. Still didn't come yet. Anyway, exploded view and spare parts of the machine. Let's skip that manual. I'm just showing you the manual. It shows you the machine and the parts. Shows you everything, voltage and current and all of that. Okay, let's skip that quickly. Nothing less, nothing more. Single phase, static frequency, charger, transformer, whatever. Let's just take out this machine. Okay, let's put this face shield away right now. Wow. Look at that, guys. I love the blue color. Look at that. See, I just asked them for a blue color. I just asked them for that, and they sent me a blue color machine. APT. Look. Fan here, one fan here, and the other fan at the back there. And the machine has a digital LCD and a button. It's wonderful, but it's heavy. Need to put that aside right now. Okay. Let's see what else inside the box. Okay, let's take that electricity outlet away. I think it will be like the clamps and stuff. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Oh. Wow. That's a wonderful belt from APT. So you can put the belt in the machine and you can carry the machine like that on your shoulder, but it's very heavy. Don't do that. Okay. Let's see what else do we have. Oh, I like its smell. Oh, most of the companies do not include all these tools. See that? This one also is from APT. This is the brush for cleaning the welds, and this is the hammer also for finishing the welds a good finish. We will be welding today and we will see the machine in operation. What's that? Is that for the clamps or something? That's the clamps. Are they missing a piece of handle, plastic handle? Don't know. I'm checking. Wow. Okay, and that's all. That's the clamps. Wow. Look at that copper clamping notch. Copper input for the cable. It's a 25mm cable. Wow! Look how thick is that cable for welding. And it's copper plated. It looks like gold. Okay, so we have the earth clamp, and we have the positive terminal for the welding. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do with it right now. We're going to put the machine and test it out in operation and see what it does. Hopefully I don't burn anything. As usual, we do mistakes because we are human beings. And human beings do mistakes. But hopefully we don't do the type of dangerous mistakes that will lead to sudden death. Okay. So, it's a brand new machine. Excuse me, guys. I'm just like taking out the cable. It's cable. Wow, look at the cable. Look how thick is that cable. They don't design stupid stuff, by the way. It's just meant to be like that to handle this lots of electrical energy. It's a 250 amps machine. What do you expect? Okay. By the way, I just bought some accessories. I bought another face shield, which I think it's a little bit better. This gets like on the top of your head, and you can see the welds, and anytime if someone's talking to you and you want to answer them, you just see, hey, I'm here. So that's very big, but it's important. It's as a protective for your face and your eyes and everything. So it's important, that's why. As well as wanted to show you something fancier, but it's not that well. Just bought a little glasses for the welds as well. You can see better from here, but I don't recommend it. I don't think it's good, in my opinion, for your eyes, but I didn't test it yet. And all depends on the voltage of the welding that you're using, the amps, sorry. So just bought this, and of course I bought some rods. The machine does not come with rods, so I bought some rods to use with the machine. Let me show you the rods. Those rods go in the electrodes. Oh, that smells good as well. This is a 2mm rod and a 3mm rod. There is no 4mm. I didn't find the 4mm. And it's the first time for me to do some welding, so I don't know what's the difference. Anyways, we will be knowing that later. So those are the rods. So let's test this and start testing that and see the machine in operation. See what we can do. Okay? So, simply, just to show you, we take the machine, put it like that, and make sure it's disconnected. Disconnect your electricity for safety. And after you're ready, just make sure you secure the cable somewhere secure, not to hurt your own machine. I hope I can let you see this well. So, we use the clamps, and it's saying positive and negative. Those are the terminals. Never touch those with your hands. So, just to show you, we connect the negative. Oops, sorry. Oh, those are powerful. They do not break or. The negative is this one. You can find a notch at the end of the cable. This notch goes with the negative notch here in the machine. And you simply rotate it like that. It's an easy breezy installation. Doesn't take any time just to install it. It's quick installation. It's easy. You know that new technology is cool. They make things and like things our for job easier than before. And sorry. Okay. And this one has a positive notch as well. See the notch? Hope you can see well from the camera. Okay, connect the notches. Okay, make sure that the cable is aligned properly. So, we installed the clamps, and we are going to install the rod. I'm going to use the 2mm rod. Is it a tungsten or what? Don't know what type of rods, what material this rod is, but If you know, just tell me in the comments if you know what's the material of this rod. If you have any idea, please tell me in the comments. So I'm going to install it just like that. It's easy breezy installation as well. And I like to install it this way. Okay, so here we go. And I did know what this handle is used for. And let me tell you, I think it's used to plug in that shield. And I'm going to tell you why in just in a minute. Yes, this way, yes. So when you're working, you just go this back and forth, just to protect your face. And let me show you something else. Okay, so this button, the back button at the back of the machine, turns on and off the machine. Now, can you hear that fan? If you turn it off, it doesn't turn off automatically because it's a safety just to cool down the machine. Okay, so we're going to use the machine right now in tests for some firework effect or whatever. We're gonna weld. Let's play done. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's on 20 amp. And 20 amp just for testing is cool. It's a lot, by the way. I hope you can see the monitor on the machine, the LCD monitor. Okay, so I just connected the clamps in the machine, the positive terminal with the positive clamp for the welding itself. The one we usually connect the positive with the clamp that has the rod for the welding, and the negative with the ground clamp, which is used to ground the piece of a metal that you want to weld, or the thing that you're gonna weld if you're working in a metal sheet, stainless sheet, whatever. So we connect the ground with that. So I'm going to wear my gloves, and hopefully it will be a successful welding and a happy welding as well. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna turn on the machine, so just for you to see, the machine is there. So I turn on the bottom and the back. It will turn on 20 amps, which is the default start for the machine. And simply I'm going to wear this mask as a safety, because this is a toxic thing. I don't want to breathe all the welding. Okay, we're gonna test. It's connected perfectly. Okay. 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 So it's tested now. I'm going to wear my glasses and start welding. The real welding. So I'm going to turn on 31 amps. So it's set on 31 amps. And we're going to start welding with the machine. I'm going to wear my glasses, my safety eye protection. It's important. Welding. Okay, I think it's welded, but it needs more welding. Let's load the other part. Okay, I think it's welded. Just a little more, and we're done. The job is done. Okay, that was so successful. Awesome. Okay, we're finished. We're finished. I think that was a successful welding. We will wait. Because we're finished, we will wait for it just to cool down, and we're gonna test if it's welded or not. But I think it's a successful welding. Again, wanted to tell you, just to let you know, I'm just a beginner. I wanted to tell you, thank you for watching this, and we're going to check the weld in just minutes. Like a couple of minutes, I will be checking the weld if it's successful or not. I'm just waiting for it to cool down. Okay, so we don't need to use the machine anymore, so we're going to lower down the voltage or the amps and current, and of course we're going to turn off the machine, and after turning off the machine we're going to check the weld. Turning off the machine. Okay. Okay, put the mask down and the safety goggle. Remove the ground clamp. Let's check the weld. Okay, that was successful. It's welded. As we can see. So again, that was it. The two metals welded together, and that was a test for the machine. I just made it on 31 amps. I didn't crank up the voltage very high because that will create like a large spark, and we don't need that right now, because it will like burn stuff down, and I can't do that right now. So it's a 250 amp machine, so I just used 31 amps, and that's the welding, and it was performing well to me. I'm very satisfied with the machine I got. APT company is cool. I will continue on buying their equipments. They do a lot of wonderful equipment and machinery. If you ever dealt with APT, you'll know what I'm talking about. And just to let you know again, thank you for watching, and I will keep making other videos on correct welds, and of course the uses for the machine. But for now, thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions for me, please leave it down in the comments. I will be answering those, and I will see you next time.